Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a GIMP tutorial on how to use a clipping mask or how to create a clipping mask. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And then from what I noticed is, or from what I gather, a clipping mask is just um, putting another photo over a bottom layer and then editing that top photo without it affecting the bottom layer, but it kind of like blending into the bottom layer. So if you want to do that, you just right click on your bottom mask and then duplicate the layer. And then now that you have a layer above and below, click on the below layer. And I like to, this is just be an example of one that I'll give you. So like, let's say I turn up the saturation on the bottom layer and then I use a very soft eraser on the top layer above it. You'll notice that when I start to erase, it actually adds saturation to the photo, and I can leave other parts unsaturated while still simultaneously editing the above ground picture. So as you see, everything else stays the same, but I'm able to go ahead and edit the parts of the top picture that I want. So as you see in the background, I could make this slightly more vibrant too, but I don't want to do that. I like that color of green, right? So I just draw all this out. Or if I really wanted to, I could only do his eyes, or I could be weird and only do a part of his forehead so it's just like really shiny. You could really do whatever you want with this trick. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a GIMP tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.